everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Janine May, and today we are doing a makeup try-on haul of several products I got from Sephora. I'm very excited because this is my first video, my very first video for a makeup try-on haul, and I'm going to show you guys the brands that I selected. So let's do that. Okay, so we have some Fenty Beauty. This is Rihanna's brow liner, and I got the soft black. It can wind all the way up and down. It's double-sided. You guys know I like double-sided products. The other side is the brush. So this is a Fenty product. Also have some Fenty lip. I have the Stunna lip paint, which is uncensored, a really hot red. Excuse the fingerprints. And then I have this nude color, which is uncuffed. So I have it in another shade. It's like a light pink color. I got a similar color in Too Faced brand. I just really like nudes. So this is by Too Faced. And I really like the package, the container it comes in. This color is Queen Bee. This has like a metallic sheen to it. I'm really hoping this looks good. And this one is Magic Metal Transformer. So you guys can see like it has that metallic sheen to it. Really want to see what this looks like. And I have a similar red color to the Stunna lip paint, which is called Lady Balls. Again, I like the package it comes in. It looks real cute, fancy, feminine. This is Too Faced liquid lip. We have some Marc Jacobs. This color is Miss Scarlet, Marc Jacobs. And I'll show you guys what all of these colors look like on. And I'll also put it in the description box below so you guys can reference it. All of these products came from Sephora. This is Dior, and the color is Rogue. I have a perfume by Dior. I love it. So I'm really hoping this looks good. You can see it almost matches my nails. We have, this is the Dior Skin Nude Luminizer. And again, this has like a sheen to it as well, a shimmer. Comes in a nice little package. You have some eyeshadow that I'm also excited to show you guys. This is volume 3 by Anastasia. And this one is the Pro Pigment palette. So this is volume 3. They have another palette out, volume 4, which I did not get, but you can order it online if you like. But I like that these colors are like summer. Summer is coming in a couple of weeks. So I went ahead and got the volume 3 palette, and I can always go and get the volume 4 palette later. And last we have some Anastasia eye primer. I don't know if it'll show the color, but supposed to work very well to tack down your eyeshadow. Normally I just use some of this primer by Fenty Beauty, which is Rihanna, but they suggested that I get this Anastasia primer. So in the video you'll see me using this for the eyeshadow. And let's get started. I like to use Cetaphil which is the cleanser. It's a very light soap. This one is for normal to oily skin. Again, I have oily skin. If you've seen the previous video, I have acne prone skin. So that lotion is very light and gentle, no fragrance, and it works well for my skin type and for my face. But before I put makeup on, I normally put a little bit of the lotion by Cetaphil in the corners of my mouth. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on. I don't moisturize my entire face because I just won't want to break out and have problems. So I normally just put it in like the dry areas, the corner of my nose, and sometimes the corner of my eyes, just a little bit, not too much, so that your makeup doesn't look dry. Sometimes that can happen when you don't moisturize your face. So first we're gonna put on a little primer by Fenty. Just a little bit. You guys know I don't like anything heavy on my face, just to avoid any type of breakout. And actually I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see me. See it up close. Alright. So first I'll put on a little bit, like a pea size, just with my hand up the primer. Literally just a little bit. That's all you need. Put it all over my face, my forehead. And I'll put just a little bit on my eyes, not too much, because I'm going to use the Anastasia. Once I put the eyeshadow on, the primer is also supposed to help pop the color. The base of the primer is supposed to be more in the lighter shade than the darker browns of my actual foundation color, which is also why the makeup representative recommended Anastasia. Next we're gonna put on Clinique for our foundation. This is our foundation and primer combo. I love this product. Again, it works really well on my skin type. And you guys know I don't like a lot of makeup. I like my makeup very light for everyday wear. For everyday makeup, you don't need to put on a lot of makeup. So once you get it real tribal looking, take your sponge and just kind of like press and spread the makeup around and try to get it even, or as even as possible. Disclaimer, this is not an advertisement for any of the products that I'm using. It's only for informational purposes, so yeah. I love this makeup too. It looks very natural and really close to my skin complexion. Okay. So once you think you have it, have the foundation to your liking. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I got this spot on my nose. So first we're gonna try on the Luminizer by Dior. And I don't know where my brush is, so we're just gonna use this brush. It will work, it is fine, we will live. It's supposed to just go right here. Ooh, I see it. So this is really nice. They had 3 other shades. I almost got like this pink shade. Ooh, that's nice. they had like this pink shade, but it was almost a little bit too light, and I was hesitant to get it because of it being like more on the pink side, and I have more orange undertones. I like this. I'm looking like a goddess. Dior. And they had one a little bit like really light. That was like out of the question. I'll put some blush on at the end or somewhere in between so you guys can see it a little bit better, but it's not bad for everyday wear, okay? I like this one. I'm liking that. Okay, then we're gonna try on some eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm super excited about the eyeshadow because I went there specifically for eyeshadow. So we're gonna try on our Anastasia primer. And I'll use a skinny brush to put it on. And use this brush to put it on. Just a little bit. So you can see it's like a white base. This goes on a little bit more translucent. So this has a heavier, it's heavier in color. This is heavier in color for when you put on your eyeshadow. I really would love to try on every single color, but I don't think you guys would sit here for that very long video. So I'm just trying like my favorite colors. This box has matte and shimmery colors. And some of them have a similar color, so if you don't want it to be matte, you can choose a shimmer. If you don't want it shimmer, vice versa, choose the other. And I'm gonna use this brush. Actually, I'm gonna use, I love these sponges. I feel like the makeup goes on better with these. So the color that I really want to try on is like a yellow. Let's try on a yellow. Ooh. Oh, that is popping. That is popping. I'm liking it. This stuff is so, this eyeshadow, this is only the first eyeshadow. It's so bright and it looks so good. Like, it looks like the palette. Some eyeshadows, you'll get them and it's like lighter in color. This looks exactly like the yellow that's on the palette. This looks nice. This looks really nice. Ooh, that looks so good. So this is the yellow. This is the yellow from the palette, number E4 or ID E4. And let's do another color. this on the brush. Also had to buy the palette because the try-on wasn't working for me. It wasn't, I couldn't get a realistic view on what it looks like on my skin. And the first person, yeah. So anyways, I had to go out and buy it so I can see what it actually looks like. And I'm doing the tutorial so you guys can see what it looks like too, if you're just wanting to see what it looks like outside of the internet on a certain skin complexion, or just to see it period out of the box. I'm hoping that I'm helping you guys. So the next color we'll do is this orange, and we'll do one with a shimmer. So this is just above the yellow, and this one is D4, ID D4. So we use the like a burnt orange. Ooh, that looks so nice. So you can see it has like that shimmer. I like to put my makeup all the way to the corner. I don't know, I started doing that like some years ago. Ooh, look at that. So y'all can see it's cute. Okay. So this one is E4 and D4.
I just wanna dance. I just wanna feel good.
Okay. And I'm gonna take it off so you guys can see another color. Those colors look really good. And the primer did help it to pop. Ooh. I'm just using the baby wipe, but I'm gonna need to use some makeup remover. Cause that primer got this, it got this eyeshadow here. I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Maybeline makeup remover to get it off.